So the day-to-day workflow with Git is remarkably similar to like that, I don't know how long that was, 20 minutes or so of just walking through the really basic commands of Git. You have a number of files in a large code base, and you want to manage changes to them. You want to add a pull request on the repository and have people review it, and in particular call out maybe like certain lines of code and say like, this could be better, this could be better. Make those changes, make new commits, push those to GitHub, and everything around Git is designed for making it extremely easy to collaborate and also to recover from errors, which is, I think, something that maybe we'll talk about in the future. It could be interesting, but it's, I think, really, I've played around with Mercurial and some other tools that do similar kind of source control management. I've never found anything that I think works as straightforwardly as Git does. And with the addition of GitHub and GitLab and all kinds of other sweet tools like that, it really has become kind of the de facto way to collaborate on projects. So if you have questions about Git, or there's other things you want to see in terms of kind of workflow around Git and stuff like that, be sure to leave a comment on the video. I would love to put up some new videos based on what kind of things people are interested in, but I hope this was useful and at least helping you understand your first kind of steps into the Git world. And let me know what you make. I'm excited to see.